Top 5 Best Garage Bike Rack. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Ultrawall 6-Bike Stainless Steel Wall Rack, 300 pounds, black. Your garage just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Ultrawall Stainless Steel Bike Storage Rack, engineered for cyclists, families, and anyone drowning in clutter. This sleek, wall-mounted system holds 6 bikes with military-grade strength, supporting up to 300 pounds without breaking a sweat. Unlike flimsy plastic hooks or wobbly racks, its rust-resistant stainless steel frame and secure mounting design deliver rock-solid stability. Installation is straightforward, and the space-saving vertical layout frees up floor space instantly. No more tripping over handlebars. Whether you're storing road bikes, e-bikes, or kids' cruisers, each slot keeps tires protected and bikes organized. It's not just storage, it's peace of mind with a polished finish. While it requires solid wall mounting, not ideal for drywall alone, the durability and capacity more than compensate. Transform chaos into clean, functional space. Your bikes deserve this. Number 4. Gootus Horizontal Bike Wall Mount for Home and Garage. Your garage just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Gootus Bike Wall Mount, engineered to hold road, mountain, or hybrid bikes with rock-solid stability. Perfect for urban cyclists, weekend warriors, or anyone tired of tripping over frames. Unlike flimsy hooks that scratch paint or wobble under weight, this heavy-duty steel rack secures your bike horizontally, saving floor space and showcasing your ride like a pro. The padded arms protect finishes, while the smart design fits tires up to 2.5 inches wide, no adapters needed. Installation? Straightforward, with all hardware included. Feel the relief of a clutter-free space and the pride of a bike displayed, not stashed. Ideal for tight homes or garages, though extremely low ceilings might limit vertical clearance. This isn't just storage, it's a statement. Declutter, protect, and elevate your cycling lifestyle with Gootus. Number 3. Sttoraboks Vertical Bike Stand for 29-inch wheels. Your garage just got a serious upgrade. Meet the Sttoraboks Vertical Bike Stand. This freestanding rack isn't just storage, it's space-saving genius for cyclists in tight apartments or cluttered garages. Unlike flimsy wall mounts that demand drilling, this sturdy floor stand holds your ride upright with zero installation. Perfect for road warriors, weekend riders, or anyone tired of tripping over handlebars. Its adjustable height fits wheels up to 29-inch, cradling everything from sleek road bikes to rugged mountain rigs. No wobble, no scratches. The wide base ensures rock-solid stability, even on uneven floors. Compare that to cheaper stands that tip or bend under pressure, and the difference is clear. It's sleek, durable, and instantly transforms chaotic spaces into organized sanctuaries. One note, it's designed for single-bike use, so multi-bike households might need more than one. But for focused, fuss-free storage? This stand delivers confidence with every lean. Number 2. CyclingDeal Classic 6-Bike Floor Rack for MTB and road bikes. 6 bikes in one sleek footprint. This isn't just storage, it's a garage revolution. Perfect for cycling enthusiasts, urban commuters, or families with multiple riders, the CyclingDeal Classic 6-Bike Floor Rack transforms cluttered chaos into organized elegance. Unlike flimsy wall mounts or single bike stands, this heavy-duty steel frame supports mountain, road, and hybrid bikes with zero wobble, indoors or in the garage. Each bike stands independently, preventing scratches and saving space, while the low-profile design fits under workbenches or along walls. Installation? Tool-free and instant. No drilling, no stress. Feel the pride of a pro-level setup without the pro price tag. While it's ideal for standard frames, extremely wide handlebars or full suspension models with bulky forks may need slight adjustment. Still, for clean, secure, space-smart storage, this rack delivers unmatched value, turning your garage from messy to masterpiece, one bike at a time. Number 1. monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount, 4-pack. Your garage just got a serious upgrade. Meet the monTEK Swivel Bike Wall Mount. Perfect for cyclists, urban dwellers, or anyone battling clutter, this 4-pack vertical rack transforms wasted wall space into sleek, accessible storage. Unlike flimsy hooks that scratch frames or wobble under pressure, monTEK's industrial-grade steel holds up to 66 pounds per mount with zero sway. The 360-degree swivel arm lets you tuck bikes tight against the wall or pull them out effortlessly. No wrestling required. Installation? Drill level done. No extra tools, no headaches. Feel the relief of a clutter-free floor and the pride of a garage that actually works for you. While it's ideal for standard frame bikes, extremely wide handlebars or fat tires may need slight adjustments. But for most riders, this isn't just storage, it's freedom. Reclaim your space. Ride smarter. Thanks for watching Best Garage Bike Rack. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.